The example which I'm sharing is actually happened. A person, like a friend, also gave his number to make an urgent call to his unknown friend. That was an extortion call. Okay, you have to meet at this place, and this will be a last call. I won't call it back. And all details were shared.
फ्रेंड का फोन यूज किया
ये क्या था?
एक्सटॉर्शन
Extortion call किया. उसको खबर भी नहीं.
बताया भी नहीं.
That friend got pulled into the case.
Yeah.
So minor things. If a person is carrying liquor in his car, that is also, there is a limit, permit limit होती है. कितनी लिक्विड कैरी कर सकते हो स्टेट वाइज. बट देयर आर पीपल हु स्टॉक, ही कीप स्टॉकिंग, रख दो गाड़ी में, कुछ नहीं होता. देयर आर पीपल हु गाड़ी पार्क करके ड्रिंक्स करते हैं. उनको लगता है इट्स माय प्राइवेट स्पेस, बट इट्स नॉट अ प्राइवेट स्पेस. द कार व्हिच इज पार्क्ड, इट इज अ पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी. अगेन दैट कैन पुल यू इन ऑफेंस. सो माइनर थिंग्स पीपल थिंक इज वेरी कैजुअल, नॉर्मल. इससे क्या होता है? इससे ही होता है. वंस यू हैव अ नेम इन रिकॉर्ड्स, then imagine your entire future will be on risk. You will not get passport. Certainly you won't get passport. Job issues हो गए, background verification issues हो गए, और तुम्हारे केस पेंडिंग है. See where is leading now? Criminal record आ गया. No matter what it is, record तो है. No matter what.
फाइल तो बन गई.
Record, पुलिस के record में तुम्हारा official नाम आ गया है. Don't trust anyone. Be with your best friend also, because you have no idea what he is doing, how he can put you in a trouble.
Yeah.
See, in law, in criminal law, intent is very important. That's a later part. That can be proven in the court, but the procedure at the initial stage, you have to face it. Harassment.
Yeah.
Visit of police. Court. Paisa. Mental harassment.
Yeah.
Work. Everything is on toss. वो later part है. That will be proven innocent or not. But the procedure itself is a punishment. 5 साल 10 साल लग जाएंगे ट्रायल पे, केस आने पे.
लाइफ निकल जाएगी.
You never know. But that initial time of his or hers,
time is the only thing you can't bring back for anybody.
That's what. One of the interviewer also asked me, you criminal lawyers, you know the person did crime. Still you defend them. I'm sure this is a common question for every common man.
It's an ethically, morally incorrect thing to do.
We are the officers of the law, the judiciary. We defend the process. We defend how the case is presented in the court. We see the loopholes, what police did, what the investigation did. We see everything. How is the evidence was planted or not? How are the witnesses? Are they hostile? Are they getting hostile? Everything. I will not defend the criminal.
Yeah.
But how he has been put in that case. So कैसा लगाया, केस में लाया है, वो procedure follow किए क्या? There's a new judgment from the court. It says that from the Supreme Court that when a person is being arrested, especially in a drug case, a video camera should be there. I mean, the complete procedure of his frisking, checking का पूरा video shoot होना चाहिए, without cut. If that is followed, then the arrest is justified. थोड़ा भी cut दिखा 1 second का, it's not acceptable. Then the arrest is illegal.